A compact smart gadget is preferred by the users while looking for the best. 32-inch smart TV is one of the familiar size users look for while choosing the best smart TV. So here we are with a list of the best 32-inch smart TV in India that will add an extra dimension to your living rooms. So guys, this is Suleiman Khan. Let's start. So the first one in our list is Realme LED Smart TV. Our favorite smart TV, Realme LED Smart TV, is one of the affordable smart TV that you can opt for at this time. This Realme LED Smart TV is priced just under 13,000, which is one of the key reasons to include this TV on our list of best 32 inches smart TV. So let's head towards the build and design section of the TV to know what this TV has to offer to the users. The TV comes with a premium bezel-less design where the bezel measures around 8.7 mm in thickness. The back panel of the TV is made up of fine plastic which feels durable. Inside the TV you get 24 watts quad stereo speakers that offer a thumping audio experience. You get stands inside the box to place the TV on the table of your living room. If you want a wall mount stand, you have to separately purchase it from the stores. The 32-inch display of the Realme LED Smart TV is capable of producing some of the finest visuals that you can witness on a screen. The TV has a Realme Chroma Boost engine that optimizes the picture quality in every aspect. The Chroma Boost engine adjusts the contrast level, brightness and color saturation to the optimum level to give you high quality byproduct on the screen. The display has view angle visibility up to 178 degrees, which you will find in most of the smart TV out there. The Realme Smart TV runs on the latest Android platform that can be your second avenue if you are bored with traditional TV shows on your set-top box. The TV is equipped with the MediaTek quad-core processor that offers you a lag-free viewing experience. The TV supports video streaming platforms like YouTube, Netflix and Disney Hotstar, where you have some latest content in your entertainment bucket. You get 1 GB RAM along with 8 GB storage space to put in your useful stuff on the TV. So apart from this, you have built-in Wi-Fi and screen mirroring feature, which is a useful addition to the smart feature segment of the TV. As for connectivity, you have 3 HDMI side ports and 2 USB ports to enjoy entertainment from any external sources. This Realme Smart TV will be a valuable addition to your living room if you are looking for the best 32-inch smart TV in the circuit available at this time. With such affordable pricing, it will be a tough job to miss this amazing Realme Smart TV. So the second one in our list is Samsung Series 4. Samsung is a leading brand in India when we talk about the smartphone segment. Samsung Series 4 is a budget-friendly and one of the best 32-inch smart TV that can be your ideal pick while looking for the best. The TV has a strong metallic build body that comes with a premium glossy finish. The thin and sleek bezels will give you goosebumps while watching high definition video with surround sound. The sleek smart TV has wide viewing angles that give you the best video output from every angle. Apart from this, you get 2 HDMI port and 1 USB port to convert your TV into a PC or a streaming platform. The 32-inch display of the TV supports resolution of 1366 into 768 pixels with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The HDR feature of the display ensures that you get all the content in the best quality on your screen. You get contrast enhancer that will transform flat and simple images into lively and vivid looking visuals. The Series 4 Samsung Smart TV has collaborated with the leading content partners to make sure that you never run out of entertainment. You get access to content from Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Hotstar, etc. across different categories. You get access to more than 1 lakh hours of non-stop high quality content. Apart from this, you get a two-way mirroring feature where you can connect the smart TV to your smartphone or smartphone to your smart TV to enjoy a seamless viewing experience. 2 HDMI ports have been provided on the back of the TV along with 1 USB port to connect gaming consoles and USB drives respectively. Being a renowned brand, Samsung HD Smart TV offers you all that you can expect in the best 32-inch Smart TV. Also, the price point at which this Smart TV is available is hard to resist, and one can't surely miss this amazing Smart TV by Samsung. So the last one in our list is Mi TV 4a Pro. Xiaomi has been giving tough competition to the leading players of the market in every segment, whether it's smartphones or earbuds. Mi TV 4a Pro is one such smart TV by Xiaomi that will surely grab your attention with its performance and affordable pricing. After looking at the build quality, we can notice that Xiaomi has kept it simple and appealing. The TV has slim bezels and is one of the slimmest looking designs in the market available in this category. The back panel of the device has a plastic build which feels sturdy. The TV comes with an LED panel that offers you the best visuals you can think of on a smart screen. The display has wide viewing angles that let you witness crisp, clear images from every angle. The TV has a 7th generation imaging engine that will optimize and offer you the best visual experience. The TV runs on Android 9 operating platform, where you get access to the latest and best sources of entertainment. The TV comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi to access the content on your TV at a lightning fast speed. Then you have the Chromecast feature to enjoy all your favorite content from the smartphone directly to the bigger screen. You also get the data saver feature that will help you to browse the internet on the TV via your mobile hotspot. The TV has 3 HDMI ports to connect the gaming console and set-top box. You get 2 USB ports to connect external USB devices. We all are familiar with the quality performance that Xiaomi devices offer. Mi TV 4a Pro is another great performing gadget by Xiaomi in the smart TV segment that has the potential to become the best 32-inch smart TV in the circuit. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel.